Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to replace the mixing knife on your THERMOMIX TM7. In order to replace the mixing knife, you can remove the mixing bowl, then unlock it on the left side with this switch. Once it's turned to the left, you can now remove the mixing knife. Then take a new one and put it in. If the new knife doesn't have the sealing ring, just remove it from the old knife. Make sure that it doesn't have any cracks or creases on it. And if it's okay, if it looks like this and it's just in proper shape, then you can put it on the new knife if the new knife doesn't have it. Once it's on, you can put the new knife in the mixing bowl. You can see if I put it like that, it's not installed. You need to rotate it then a little bit until it actually, you can see now it's not in and now it is in. It has to go all the way in. Then you will be able to lock this switch. It requires a bit of force. Once it's locked, you can now use your ThermoMix. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.